happen them.
Kahinyo terap Integrated Territorial Organization lani ka Hito kalapan pau ya kajing Sorkar halor kajing ai jingbet ka Sorkar Jylla ya ki company dau bilat banti ya Mawshun. General Secretary ka Hito uba W Dekar uloong bakam shimladon kajing yo jingbet kat kumkaan ya ka Sorkar ban pediang ya kani kajing ti dawyang na ki company Shimet. Uloong ya kani syakilat pathai kubor henne kasngi ba ki jingwat jingtip ka Hito ka penpau ba hinyo teli ki company kilayo pediang ya ka jingbet banti Mawshun.
We want to know from the government under which provision. We have a question in the RTI question itself says that point number 7. For this, under which provision of the MMDR Act 1957, where limestone for cement industrial use falls under incidental category. But the answer replied by the Director of Mineral Resources says not applicable, which means that there is no such provision that the government can approve incidental limestone to any companies or to any private companies or to any individuals.